Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, today I am taking chapter number third. Topic name, chapter name, motion in a straight line, and topic name, third equation of motion by use of integration method or by use of the calculus method. मतलब मुझे इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. In the case of the first equation of motion, we derive v equal to u plus at, and second equation s equal to ut plus half at square, and third equation today v square equal to u square plus 2as. What is the mean of the v? V that means the final velocity, u that means the initial velocity, a that means the acceleration, and s that means the displacement. Student, we have to derive third equation of motion, but by use of the integration method or calculus method. Method मतलब क्या होता है सर? एक तो सिंपल मेथड होती है, second one is the graphical representation method, and third one is the integration or calculus method. Student, let we consider a straight road initial point and destination, that means a final point. Let we consider capital A and capital B are 2 points, and displacement between them will be equal of capital S. S that means a function of x such that x t1 and x t2. What is the mean of the x? X that means a displacement with respect to time t1 at initially, and displacement here with respect to time t2 and final. Here the time will be equal of 0. Initial time always will be equal of 0, and final time always will be equal of capital T. What is the mean of the S? S that means a displacement. And what is the mean of the total distance? May be written in the form x t2 minus x t1. हम कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा बोल सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. We have to derive v square equal to u square plus 2as, where v is a symbol to represent the velocity. Which type of velocity, student? Final velocity. U. What is the mean of the u? U is another type of the velocity. That means initial velocity. Initial velocity represented by u, and final velocity represented by v. A that means acceleration, and s that means a displacement, and here another word small t represent the time. Student, we have to derive v square will be equal of u square plus 2as by use of integration method, that means a calculus method. We know that about the definition of acceleration. By definition of acceleration, what is the mean of the acceleration? That means a, the rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity are known as acceleration, such that a will be equal of dv by dt, such that a will be equal of dv by dt may be written in the form dv by dt. मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ dv by dt. What is the mean of this explanation? We have to multiply and divide by the dx. मैथमेटिक्स में हम कुछ भी मन से प्लस करते तो मन से माइनस करना पड़ता, माइनस करते तो प्लस करना पड़ता, इनटू करते तो डिवाइड तो इनटू. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू इनटू और डिवाइड. हमने यहाँ पर dx से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करा है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, a will be equivalent of dx by dt into dv by dx. But what is the mean of dx by dt? That means d by dt of x. X that means a displacement. The rate of change in displacement are known as velocity. Student, मैं फिर से आपको बता दूं. We know that a that means acceleration. Acceleration will be equal the rate of change in velocity, such that dv by dt. ठीक है. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. हमने मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करा है dx से. dx by dt, that means the rate of change in displacement are known as velocity. So we can written, हम इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं स्टूडेंट, a will be equal of dx by dt will be equal of v, and here dv by dx by use of simple mathematics, these into these. One more time, v dv by dx, the denominator of a will be equal of 1, these into this, that means v dv will be equal of a dx. Student, now we taking integration in both side. Student, now we taking integration in both side with respect to v and with respect to x, that means partial integration. Student, अगर जो यहाँ पर दोनों साइड, या तो दोनों साइड dv होता या तो दोनों साइड dx होता, तो मैं उसको बोलता वी टेकिंग द इंटीग्रेशन, बट यहाँ पर दोनों साइड वैल्यूज क्या है, डिफरेंट है, तो इस इंटीग्रेशन को हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलेंगे पार्शियल इंटीग्रेशन. आओ देखिए, नाउ टाइम टू रिप्रेजेंट द लिमिट हियर, इंटीग्रेशन dv, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द dv, दैट मींस लिमिट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ v. तो सर इधर भी v लिख देते, इधर भी v लिख देता, तो दोनों लिमिट सेम हो जाएगी, तो इनिशियल दैट मींस vt1 और फाइनली vt2. इंटीग्रेशन dx that means a limit in the form of x, तो xt1 and xt2. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, मैं बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे आपको समझाऊंगा, आपको हर एक चीज यहाँ पर समझ आनी चाहिए. इंटीग्रेशन v dv, that is a correct word, but here a is a constant and integration dx limit आप लिखिए vt1 and vt2 and here xt1 and xt2. Student, now time to take a simple concept regarding to the integration. We know that about the integration x to the power n dx. What is the meaning of the x to the power n? ठीक है, x to the power n plus 1 whole by n plus 1. सर ऐसा क्यों बता रहा हूँ, इधर ध्यान से देखिए, इंटीग्रेशन dv and b to the power 1, that means n will be equal of 1. So v to the power 1 plus 1, that means 2 by 2, and limit will be equal of vt1 and vt2. Here a is a common factor. What is the mean of integration dx? Integration dx equal to x, integration dy equal to y, integration dz equal to z, such that integration dx will be equal of x and limit in the form xt1 and xt2. I hope student you getting the proper solution. First step, acceleration. What is the definition of the acceleration? The rate of change in velocity. The rate of change in velocity such that dv by dt. We have to multiply and divide by the dx. क्या करा यहाँ पर? Multiply and divide by the dx such that dv by dx and dx by dt. The rate of change in displacement. The rate of change in displacement are known as velocity, such that a equal to v dx by dt replaced by the velocity, that means a v. A will be equal of v dv by dx, v multiply dv such that v dv by dx, the denominator of a equal to 1, such that cross multiply. After cross multiplication, a dx will be equal of v dv. We taking the integration in both sides. Integration, that means a partial integration with respect to v with respect to x. Integration dv, that means a limit in the form of v. Integration dx, that means a limit in the form of x, such that limit vt1 vt2 xt1 and xt2. In the case of the integration dx, a is a constant, so a integration dx. Now time for integration x to the power n, power plus 1 upon में power plus 1, that means the power will be equal of 1, such that 1 plus 1 that means 2, 1 plus 1 that means 2. ठीक है, integration dx will be equal of x. Now time to take upper limit minus lower limit, but before the upper limit minus lower limit we take the constant outside of bracket, such that 1 by 2 v square limit v t1 and v t2. Here a x and x t1 and x t2. Student, 1 by 2 is a common factor, that means a constant term. B replaced by the upper limit. Upper limit, that means a Vt2. Lower limit, that means a Vt1. But function in the form of the square. So V square T2 and V square T1 equal to A. X replaced by the x T2 and x replaced by the x T1. Student, what is the mean of the T1 and T2? T1, that means initial time will be equal of 0, and T2, that means the final time will be equal of T. Let T1 equal to 0 and T2 will be equal of T, such that we can return 1 by 2 V square T minus V square 0 equal to A x equal to x A into x, T2 replaced by T and T1 replaced by 0. Student, now time to define Vt. What is the mean of the Vt? Vt, that means a final velocity will be equal of V. V0, that means a initial velocity will be equal of U. Xt1, that means a final, and x0, that means a initial. So xt minus x0 will be equal of total displacement capital S. Student, now last part of the question. This will be equal of 1 by 2 v square t, vt replaced by v, such that v square minus u square will be equal of a into s. Now 2 as a denominator here. Now multiply, then we getting v square minus u square will be equal of 2as, such that v square negative convert into the form of positive, u square will be equal of 2as. Final result of question. Student, total question define the third equation of motion by use of calculus method. Last time I told what is the mean of the A that means the initial position, and B that means the final position, and T1 that means the initial time, and T2 that means the final time. Student, x that means a representative of displacement, so initial time x t1 and final time x t2. Student, what is the mean of the third equation of motion? V square equal to u square plus 2as. In another way, v square minus u square will be equal of 2as. Firstly, I defined the term v, u, as and t. V that means a final velocity, U that means a initial velocity, A that means a acceleration of object, and S that means a displacement, and T that means a time. Now time to drive a derivation. Student, by definition of acceleration, what is the mean of the acceleration? The rate of change in velocity, such that dv by dt dx and dx we have to multiply and divide by the dx. So dx by dt will be equal of the rate of change in velocity, that means v. So dx by dt will be replaced by v. Then v into dv will be equal of v dv. The denominator of a will be equal of 1 by, after cross multiplication we getting dv will be equal of a dx. Now time to taking integration in both sides, but here dv and here dx, that means we taking the partial integration in both sides with respect to v and with respect to x. What is the mean of the v? That means a limit in the form of v. So we taking the initial limit vt1 and final limit vt2, initial displacement xt1 and final displacement xt2. Okay, v to the power 1. What is the mean of the v to the power 1? We getting the formula x to the power n. X to the power n, that means power plus 1 whole by power plus 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that means v square by 2, and integration dx will be equal of x. Now time to put upper limit minus lower limit in the place of v, in the place of x. with getting the constant outside of bracket, and finally v replaced by the upper limit and v replaced by the lower limit. That means upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. But we know that t1, that means the initial time, will be equal of 0, and t2 will be equal of final time will be equal of t. So t1 replaced by the 0 and t2 replaced by the t. Then we getting the v square t minus v square 0 and x t minus x0 vt. That means our final velocity will be replaced by v and initial velocity v0 replaced by u, and xt minus x0, that means our displacement will be equal of capital S, such that 1 by 2. Here we written v, here we written u. Then v square minus u square will be equal of a, and both these will be equal of capital S. So as by cross multiply we getting v square minus u square equal to 2as. Negative convert into the form of positive. This is the expression to represent the third equation of motion, and this method known as calculus method or integration method. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to first equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion by use of integration method or calculus method. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Student, please like and subscribe, and also study from this channel.